Boon Tale Presents, 8 Benefits of Apple Cider Vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of those natural supplements just about everyone has heard as of now, praised because of its long history as an all-purpose internal tonic and even as a component in cleaning product. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is manufactured out of fermented apple juice, the sugar of which become alcoholic apple cider before becoming vinegar. Abundant with beneficial probiotics, enzymes and antioxidants, apple cider vinegar differs greatly from regular vinegar because of its dietary properties, containing an abundance of good bacteria. Unfiltered types of apple cider vinegar are usually more brownish to look at than the clear yellows of filtered variations, instead retaining all that natural goodness and the beneficial molecules which are generally known as the mother for their rich properties. Most of us probably have a container of apple cider vinegar placed inside our kitchens, just waiting around to be utilized again, but precisely what will be the benefits of it? Let us see the benefits of apple cider vinegar as follow. 1. It is really effective in repelling fleas from your pets. 1 part vinegar and 1 part drinking water can be sprayed on your pet's fur and rubbed in generously. Saturate the entire coat, and continue every day for a few days to a week. Any flea infestation will surely be gone. 2. It can help you to detoxify your body. As part of controlling your pH, apple cider vinegar makes an overall removal of toxins from the body. Research implies that it can help to stimulate cardiovascular system blood flow and help detoxify the liver. 3. It could balance your complete inner body. Your body continuously strives to accomplish circumstances of equilibrium. Apple cider vinegar helps to preserve a healthy alkaline pH level. Research demonstrates higher acidity levels, or lower pH level, leads to lack of strength and larger incidences of infections. Therefore, it is good to sip a few times each day for an all-natural increase of energy level. 4. Organic apple cider vinegar manages the pH level of the skin. Dilute that with 2 parts drinking water, and apply the mixture over the face with a natural cotton ball to change your present toner. You can do this during the night after cleaning the skin, and each day in the morning before you apply the moisturizer. A dab of it may also be left on your skin overnight to fade age spots or acne scars. 5. It can boost your immunity. Ideal for helping immune system health and providing your entire body a prevention against prevalent colds as well as the flu, apple cider vinegar can help to prevent those annoying infections simply by replenishing the disease-fighting capability with the help of good bacteria which usually work to assist defense mechanism against viruses. 6. It can help to control blood sugar and prevent diabetes. To incorporate apple cider vinegar in your meals, try adding a splash to salads, marinades, vinaigrettes, and sauces. If you have diabetes or prediabetes, be certain to consult your doctor if you're looking to use the amounts larger than those normally found in your food. Apple cider vinegar can interact with diabetes medication, and that shouldn't be consumed by people with specific health conditions, like gastric stasis. 7. It helps to eliminate dandruff from your scalp. To address dandruff, many people find that softly spraying an apple cider vinegar and water solution onto the scalp fights continual flakes, irritation, and irritability. Vinegar's acetic acid may change scalp's pH, making it harder for yeast, one of the main contributing factors for dandruff, to flourish over the scalp. The spray is normally left in hair to get 15 minutes just before rinsing and can be used once or twice a week. While spraying into hair or rinsing out the solution, avoid getting apple cider vinegar inside your eyes or ears. It should always be diluted and used in small amounts. If you have color-treated hair, consult your color technician as it may have an effect on your hair color. 8. It helps in weight loss. Promoters claim that consuming vinegar just before or with a meal may possibly have a satiating effect. A Western study evaluated the effects of daily apple cider vinegar intake in extra fat in adults who had been obese. At the end in the 12-week research, participants who had consumed vinegar experienced a very humble 1 to 2 pound reduction in body weight, body mass index, or BMI, waist circumference, triglycerides, and visceral extra fat were also lowered. Further studies, however, yet to be needed to figure out the connection between vinegar and weight. People tend to ingest higher than typical amounts of apple cider vinegar when using it all for weight loss purpose, with some also taking it again in pills form. However, there is a risk that pills can damage the gastrointestinal tract. Comment below how you want to use apple cider vinegar and want to benefit out of it. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then click on the red subscription button and notification bell now so that you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.